Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Venu tutorial video. In this video, I'll first be showing you how to perform a restart of your Garmin Venu if it's ever frozen and not responding, and then after that I'll show you how to do a factory reset of your Garmin Venu, removing everything from the watch and resetting it completely to the way it was when you first bought it. Alright, so to get started with how to restart your Garmin Venu, if it's ever not responding, either on the touchscreen or with the buttons, all we need to do is hold down the top right button for about 15 seconds. So I'll show you that right now. After 2 seconds, the control menu will come up. And then after 5 seconds, Garmin Assistant will come up. Do not release the button during this time. Continue to hold it down. Once the screen turns black, you can release the button, and then your Garmin Venu has turned off. Now all we need to do is simply hit the button in the top right to turn it back on, and then you have restarted your Garmin Venu. Now to go over how to do a factory reset on your Garmin Venu. Resetting your Garmin Venu might be useful if it's not working correctly, or maybe you change the setting and you don't know how to change it back. It can also be useful if you're going to sell your Garmin Venu and you want to make sure that all your personal data is removed from it. So to begin, all we need to do is hold down the bottom right button for about 2 seconds, and that'll bring up the menu here. Once the menu opens, simply scroll down until we see the gear. This will bring us to the settings, and then in the settings, scroll all the way to the bottom until we see System. Select System. Now once we're in System Settings, we're going to scroll down until we see Reset. Go ahead and select Reset, and then in here we have two different options. The first option is going to be Reset Default Settings. So this can be useful if maybe you changed one of the settings that you don't like. This will reset all the settings back to default. But if you want to do a full factory reset, removing all of your information, including your activities, apps, watch faces, everything, go ahead and select Delete Data and Reset Settings. So I'm going to select that. It's going to give us a quick warning that it's going to remove everything. Go ahead and select it again, and then select the green check. Now it has performed a factory reset of the Garmin Venu, and we will have to go through the setup process in order to use it in the future. If you don't know how to do this, check the description because I have a tutorial covering how to perform the setup on your Garmin Venu. So that's how you perform a factory reset on your Garmin Venu. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Venu tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.